Hello, Yogis. Welcome to Roop's Diary. There is a saying, take care of your health so that it can take care of you in the future. Let's begin. Let's close our eyes, hands in Namaskara Mudra. Gently take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now let's begin. Left hand by the side, right hand stretch towards the left. Change the side, keep twisting. Right hand twist towards the left. Left hand twist towards the right. Feel the stretch. Namaskara Mudra hand. Take your hands forward and back. Hands forward, back. Hands forward, back. Hands forward, back. Relax. Next. Now let's do alternate legs side raising. You can raise your legs right, left, right and left, right and left. Okay, next. Sit down in any comfortable position of neck twisting will do. Just stretch your neck to the right and to the left. One more time. A gentle stretch with your hands. Next. We'll do boat pose now. Very good for your tummy. Legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. We'll do this for a few more counts. Legs up. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs down. Now just relax for a while. And now fold your legs, both the legs. Your hip should come up. Yes, very good for your lower back. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, and come down. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hip down. When you take your hip up, start with inhalation. Inhale. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Down. Relax. Spread out your legs. Just lie down in Savasana and relax for a while. Just relax. Now, we'll do a balancing pose. Right leg over the left. Balance with your left leg. Balance. You may fall down, but get back to position. Now change the legs. Concentrate at one point. Concentrate and relax. Legs down, hands down. One more round, the same thing. Left leg over the right, hands in Namaskara Mudra. Back to normal position. Change the legs. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Hands down. Relax. Now, as we come to the end of this session, we will just close our eyes for some time. Feel the changes that has happened inside the body, the wonderful change. It's all about the inner strength. It's all about our inner strength. Slowly rub your palm, generate the heat, give a massage to your face. Thank you so much.